Hello, this is Steve Jurgensen from Racesport Lighting, and today I want to talk to you about our dual function cubes. So we actually have them today here displayed on our Jeep Gladiator at SEMA 2019. And what's great about our cubes is not only are they gorgeous, but they're dual function, just like our Low Pro Series light bars. So you can pair those with the light bars. They have an amber running marker that also, if you wanted to, if they were in a bumper, you can hook up as a turn signal. The driver can also, when he needs high power light, can flip these over. It'll shut the amber off and actually turn on that high power white when they actually need it on the road. So this product also does come in a flush mount. So if you want to flush it into the bumper or any flat surfaces or roof mount racks, this does come in a flush mount as well. And on our dual function on the reverse series, this product does come in a red and a white, red being for additional brake lighting on the back, and white for when you pop your vehicle into reverse and you need some high power reversing for trailering. This product carries a 1-year warranty.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.